night.
Miss Marie?
Yes?
Yes, good night. This is Rochelle, right?
Which Rochelle?
Rochelle, I'm up here I come from. Me ask you, your mark still in a things, your mark. Come in and know what this me again. Your mark still in a things.
How would it?
This is Rochelle, Miss Marie. Come in and know what this me. Yo, me no know. Father God, what me doing in life? What me read? Miss Marie. Miss Marie, me just a hear about you. Me no know for true. Me pregnant for Mark. We live in your house. Him tell me say you're him mother. Me no know what to believe right now. Me no know me a hear say you're him woman.
So you live in a pretty house?
Yes, I'm up here. I'm here. Me a hear say you are him mother. We live in New York.
That's how which part of pretty house you live in?
Me say no know where your house there. Miss Marie, I hear me. Miss Marie, where you say, Miss Marie?
Live in a pretty house. You live in a pretty house?
Yes, Miss, with Mark. I don't know what to be, because him tell me say you're mother, he say mother house, right? Now me a hear say, somebody a tell me say, Miss Marie and her mother. The house I win.
Look here.
Yes, Miss.
Because I think a man come out of my house for me send man come kill on my house.
Miss Marie, but him put me in there. Oh, you are going to tell me say me and your daughter-in-law, Miss Marie, say you're mother.
Which mother? Me and Mark live too much here. Let me tell you something. Come out of my house.
Me not know where I go. Me not know if you go, Miss Marie. Me not know. Right now, me not know if me could have run off, come over foreign and you put me up and go and mind me till make straighten out myself. Because be a crosses I take me down here. Ma come like him a crosses. Me didn't even know. Miss Marie, me I beg you help me out. I be a crosses down in Jamaica. Down here hard, down here rough. Miss Marie, me not telling you. How Miss Marie do? Girl, are wicked, you know. I feel her granny. Big up. Big up YG music. Big up, Blue Heart, Teddy Bear. Miss Marie.
Please leave your message for 91789.
Girl, you tell Marie, you know. Miss Marie.